this video, I will show you how to create step-by-step guides. Creating weekly step-by-step guides to show students how to access course content is very beneficial and reduces confusion. I prefer creating weekly introduction recordings that show students the weekly course material, but step-by-step guides are equally as effective as the recordings. To create a step-by-step guide, you want to open Word and choose a title for the document. The title of this document is How to Access the Week 1 Course Information. This guide may be a little longer than usual because it's the first week of the semester and students are getting used to navigating the learning management system. Step 1. Enter login information. I will start with logging into Canvas, but you can also create another step that shows students how to access the school website and the login page. So the first thing that you want to do is when you go to the login page, you want to snip the information. So that's what I've done here. I snipped the sign in with your organizational account, student ID, and password. And I saved this as a PNG or a JPEG file. Then I selected Insert, Pictures, this device, and I inserted this image into the Word document. The next step shows students how to access the Week 1 information. Step 2, click Modules. So when I go to my LMS, I'm going to use the Snip and Sketch tool. So you want to type Snip and Sketch in the search bar bottom left of the screen. You can see it appears quickly for me because I use these tools regularly. Snip and Sketch, New, and I'm going to capture this area of the page. The next thing that I want to do is highlight modules. So I'm going to click the highlighter. Whatever color I want, I will use yellow, and I will highlight modules. Then what you want to do is click the file, save as, and you can save it as a PNG or a JPEG file. The next thing you want to do is go to the Word document, and right under step 2, click modules, you want to click Insert, Pictures, this device, and you want to click the picture that you saved and insert it directly into the Word document. Another thing I like to do is circle the highlighted word. So I want to click Insert, Shapes, click the oval, and I'm going to place an oval around modules. Shape fill, I don't want to fill it. Shape outline, I'm going to outline it in red, but you can outline it in whatever color you choose. And I'm just going to delete that because you can see it's already here. The next thing that you want to do is add step 3. Step 3, access the weekly introduction information. Once again, you want to use the same tool. So I'm going to click modules. This is the weekly information. I'm going to click Snip and Sketch. You can see it appears for me very quickly. New. And then I'm going to capture this area of the page. I want to use the highlighter to highlight the Week 1 Introduction tab, and that lets students know that they need to click Week 1 Introduction. I'm going to save this file. Then what I'm going to do is open Word and insert this image directly below step 3, access the weekly introduction information. So insert, pictures, this device, and then you can just insert this image. After you do that, you want to circle the highlighted words. So I'm just going to go to Shapes, Oval, Place the oval around week 1 introduction, shape fill, no fill, shape outline red, and I don't need that, but you can see that I've circled week 1 introduction. The next thing that you want to do is add more steps. Continue to add steps. The steps can be as detailed as you wish, but make sure they're very easy to understand and easy to follow. As I mentioned previously, since this is the first step-by-step guide for the semester, it may be best to add many steps showing students how to access the lecture recordings and assignments. Once the guide is complete, you want to click File and you want to save this file as a PDF document. It's just easier to access. Next, you want to either insert the guide into your learning management system, whether it's Canvas or Blackboard. You can email the guide as an attachment, or you can attach the guide to an announcement. Overall, creating step-by-step guides showing students how to access course content is very effective in an online course, or even an in-person course. This significantly reduces the number of emails received regarding accessing course content. This also reduces student confusion and anxiety.